Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm actually going to be decorating a spread in what I'm using as a wellness planner as of now. So if you've been watching my wellness videos, you know that I was using the Wellness Warrior vertical layout, but I honestly want to try giving this vertical layout a chance. I feel like in the Wellness Warrior there's too many boxes. If you have any idea, I'll show you what that layout looks like. So there's just several. Let me get to one that hasn't been used. So this is the current week. Today is the 29th. So there's actually 4 boxes here, and I don't use these as far as what they say on the sides. So I redated. I just couldn't wait. I held out until April. But anyway, so this is September of 2022 that I pulled from the back of this planner, and I just used a colorful box with my little label maker, and I did one for May and June. So if you want to do the same, September 2022 matches up with April, October matches up with May, and November matches up with June. So you would just have to change like your holidays in here and cover this up, and then there's just a tiny little spot here that says the month up at the top, but the dates match. So anyway, I'm going to try to be a little different this week and use an older sticker book that I have not used in quite some time. I'm going to use Simply Lovely. So if you have this sticker book, there are tons of gorgeous flowers in here. And go grab it out of your planner cart, and let's just try to make a spread using an older sticker book. So I'm going to play off of this green here, and I did choose some stickers. I'm going to try to kind of hide them from you. So my main color scheme for this spread is going to be pink and green. So, and I really did not want to use bows, but I kind of had to because I needed something to layer this sticker with. So I just at the last minute grabbed this bow vertical box and decided that I was going to use it in the spread as well. So we're just going to start by that. This says Be Happy. And I'm going to lay down all of my just functional stickers and decorative stickers first, and then come in with some florals. So just kind of finish the spread off. So I think what I'm going to do is kind of cluster right in here. I'm just going to make a cluster of different shapes. And I'm not sure if I want to add this pink box or not. I don't think I will. I think I'm going to add this green. Now, I'm not going to white out these lines, these vertical box lines, just because that's just too much for this spread. If they were like really dark black lines, then I probably would. But since they're not, I'm just going to work with it. Okay, and then I don't know, should I add this box or not? Or not box, but this shape. I kind of don't want to. So I think I'm going to we're going to use that bow on the other side. And so let's just, let's just put my boxes down on the other side, and then we'll kind of fill in with some flowers. So this pink box says Good Days Only. We're going to lay it down here, kind of off-centered, offset. I don't like, I think I've said this before, but I really don't like putting boxes exactly inside of boxes. I think, to me, it just looks better if they're offset. So now let's put, I love this XO, and I think I'm just going to kind of offset that a little bit off of Sunday. I just love the black and white stripes. And since I used the pink sticker with the black and white bows over there, I kind of had to bring in a little bit of black and white over here. So now I think what I'm going to do is actually bring this pink shape in here. And maybe kind of cluster all of these. I don't like the way that that goes this way. Let's see. I think I may. This is so far out of my norm. I really want to do different things, y'all, but it is hard to do different, to be different. Okay, so now I'm going to take this bow, because I have bows on this side. I want a bow on this side. So we're going to put that bow there. And then let's just fill in with some florals. I think I'm going to take this Hello Today and just cover up where the month was. And then I don't know that I'll be able to find a sidebar. We'll see. So let's just fill in with some florals and kind of see where we're at. I think, let's see, do I want to use big ones? I'm not sure that I really want to use super large flowers. I'm thinking I kind of want to go with the smaller ones. So let's just fill in maybe a little bit back here, or down here, not back here. I'm going to trim those off. And put that there. And then maybe one up here. Let's see, which one do we want to use? Need to make sure I save myself some for the other side, because this page is larger. So I wonder what this would look like here. Oops. Let's put it under this pink box. I want my leaves to show. No, I don't like that. Let's look at these bigger ones one more time. I just think they're so big. But I kind of like this one. I'm going to trim this off. And then come up underneath this pink sticker. I want my little green leaves to kind of stick up. Like that. That's cute. Alright, I kind of feel like I want a little something to come behind here as well. What are my leftovers? Not much. So maybe if we could do some leaves. Maybe that would work. Just to kind of make it look like my flowers continue down. We'll try it and see. Yeah, that's not too bad, actually. That's kind of cute. Alright, and now let's go to this side. And so I'm going to grab one of these clusters like I used on the other side. And I think I'm going to put it right in between these boxes, but I am going to cut this little piece here off. So we'll put that like that. I'm not sure that I like that actually. I think I want to move it over just a little bit. And I think it actually looks kind of cute on top, leaving the florals on top. So now let's, I want to add something here and a little something down here maybe. Let's see what these would look like. No, I think I want to grab bigger ones, kind of like I did on the other side. So maybe this one. I think that's the same exact one. Let's try a different one here. And so let's put this under everything. Oops. Okay. I guess that's going to stay. And so I think I'm going to tuck it in right here. Kind of rip that sticker. Okay, we're not going to tuck that. All right. I think I'm going to leave those like they are. So it's under a little bit here and it's over a little bit through here. But I think I'm just going to leave that. And then I think I'm going to put a few leaves like down here. Not there. Let's see. Those are stuck together. Let's don't use those. I just kind of want to continue the same little thing that I've got going. But that doesn't look good there. So maybe I don't, do I? I feel like it looks silly because of this pink bow here. Okay, that's not too terrible. All right, I think let's look in the Simply Lovely book and just see if there are any sidebars. I don't think there are, and if there's not, then I'm not going to worry about putting one there. So this may just turn out to be like a super simple spread. And I could probably, actually, I think I'm going to come in with some washi. I didn't use washi on any of my other spreads. So that's like so out of my norm for me lately. But I don't think there's any sidebar stickers in here, so nope. Okay, so let's do some washi. And which one do we want to use? I think I'm going to do just black and white polka dots. And I don't know where I want to do this. This is some thick washi tape here. Actually, I think I may come in with my thinner one. Let's do that. Let's come in with this one maybe. This one looks more like thin and dainty. So I think it'll go good with this spread. And to make sure. Okay, yeah, that's not too bad. And then we'll put one like right down here. Oops. My dog is like sitting outside the bedroom door waiting ever so patiently for me to get done talking to myself. Okay. And then we're going to come over here and just put a little bit on this page. And so I don't like my, so I was saying that I like my boxes offset, and then now that I'm using the washi, I don't like my washi Like, so if I put it here on this page, I don't want it in the same exact spot on the other page. So I like it to be offset as well. Just my personal preference. But it's just little things that I'm learning about my style and the way that I like to do things. So I do like my pages to be similar, like I keep saying, similar but not exact. So if you see something on my left page, then there's going to be something very similar on my right page. Okay, so that's it for my wellness spread. Let's put it back in my planner, if I can find my planner. My desk is a mess. If you guys are not following me over on Instagram, I hope you would follow me over there. So this is my monthly here, and I just threw some flowers to cover up September, if you're wondering. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. This is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.